Hey everybody, today I'm taking a look at the Farway 2-in-1 laser tape measure. So in the package, you're going to get your instruction manual. You're also going to get a USB charging cable, a little carrying strap here that will attach to the tape measure, and then you get the laser tape measure combo itself. So what's really cool about this tape measure is it not only has a regular tape on it, but you also have the ability to do measurements with the laser function here. So let's go ahead. I'll show you a few of the features of it and give it a try. So here's a closer look at the tape measure itself. You can see up here on the top, it has the LCD display, all of your buttons here for functionality and flipping through different menus. Down here is where the laser and the receiver will be. And this little notch right here is where you're going to hook up your little wrist holder here. You also have your USB-C connection for charging. And then on this side you have your regular tape measure and then the brake right here. So what I like about the regular tape measure is it not only has the little lip down here on the bottom, it also has it on the top. This is really useful for if you have to hook it up underneath something versus the normal way, which is just grabbing over the top. It does have measurements in inches and in centimeters, and you can see the front and the back are both labeled. So to turn a unit on, you're going to long press this distance button. You can see here the measurement is starting and the laser's on. And what's nice about this, if you hit that distance button once, it gives you the measurement in inches, so 216 and 1/16. And you can see up here on the top how it's measuring it. So it's actually measuring it from the front of the tape measure now. So to switch between the different modes, you're going to hit this function units. And you can see all the different types of measurements you can do, Pythagorean theorem, and all of the different modes. And if you hit this button, it's going to switch back to the regular. And if you long press, you can see how it switched here. So now it's actually measuring from the back of the tape measure. So overall, I can say that this is a pretty amazing tape measure. Not only do you have the normal tape measure, but also being able to use the laser functionality on it. I also really like the fact that you can do all your formulas and calculations in the tape measure itself, as opposed to doing it with pen and paper or having to pull out a calculator. Another really nice feature of the laser versus the tape measure is those long distances where you have to actually measure up in the air. You know, normally the tape measure will start to bend and fall down and it's a lot less accurate. You can just pop this up into a corner and measure those height distances very easily as well.